I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a lightweight face mask with inside loops for the filter. I use 100% cotton yarn. This is a Turkish brand. I don't really remember where I bought it from, but any cotton yarn will work. And a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. You will also need scissors and a tapestry needle to weave in the ends. You can find a child size on my blog Crafting Happiness. I will put a link in the description. To begin, chain 67, then single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Next, make 43 single crochet. And this is your first row. The rest of the loop is going to go around the ear and will be later connected to the mask when you finish it. Now chain 1 and turn. And start the second row by making 6 single crochet. We have 4 and 5 and 6. Then make 3 half double crochet. And 26 double crochet in the next stitches. Next, make 3 half double crochet. And then make 6 single crochet. Chain 1, and this is the second row. Rows 3 through 13 are a repeat of row 2. I've already made my repeat rows. You can pause the video and make your rows and then join me back. And let's continue with the next row, row 14, chain 1 and turn. And now we are going to single crochet in every single stitch until you reach the end. When you reach the end of the row, don't fasten off. We will be creating the ear loop. Chain 22, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 more. And you can adjust the ear loop to be as long or short as you like. When you have the length you want, just slip stitch right at the bottom of the mask in a corner. So insert your hook in that corner, chain, and pull up a loop and then pull it through the chain. And this is how you make the ear loop. And then just cut the yarn and pull through. And now you can use a darning needle to weave in the end. And then on the other side we already have the loop. All we have to do is connect it to the other side of to the top of the mask. So just insert your hook in that corner stitch and pull the tail through, just the tail, and then use the darning needle to make a few stitches and secure the loop. So now I'm going to show you how to crochet the inner loops to hold the filter, and we will join the yarn between row 2 and 3, 9 stitches in. So that's right after we made the 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And here between row 2 and 3 we are joining the yarn. So insert your hook and then make a slip knot, and pull that slip knot through. Then chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. And this will be the loop, and we will join that loop between the second last and third last stitch, row 9 stitches in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right when we start making the double crochet stitches between second last and third last. So in this loop right here. And to do that, take the loop of the hook, insert it in that loop on the mask, and pull that loop through, and then cut the yarn and pull it through, and this is how it looks like. And make the same one on the other side. So that's 9 stitches in from this end, so right after the half double crochet. And this is how the mask looks like after I weaved in all the ends. You can find the child size pattern on my blog Crafting Happiness. I will put the link in the description for you. Stay safe and happy crocheting!